Want to get down?
Poor Kyle. Wow, that was great. What a workout,
That's
huh?
just playing football.
She loved it.
Let's jump up and down on the trampoline.
Let me take
Oh my goodness, that's my shirt.
Can I go down? Can you come with me on the trampoline?
Really? Can I? Sure. Here, Graham.
What are we doing?
It's a video.
Okay.
We're making videos.
Is it recording?
It is. Does it say record on it?
Yeah.
Okay, stay in the middle.
Careful.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
What?
Can you hold me and jump?
I don't even think I can jump. Okay, I'll try.
Try.
Okay.
Or the television will be later.
Okay, you ready?
Here we go.
Wow. Oh, God bless her. Oh, my. Look at you, big girl. That's hard on the legs, huh, Brookie?
Oh, yeah.
Up.
Can you bounce me?
Can I bounce you? I think I got you.
This time I'm gonna bounce you.
Is that enough?
Sure.
Look at her.